Hello.
Hello.
Today, last time Amy started on the painting of the white on the wall. We're going to now try and complete the white today and hopefully get some of the bottom painting in orange as well. Yeah, it's starting to come together. Yeah, hoping if we get the paint done, things will start looking a bit cleaner and better put together.
We can start then planning the bed frame and putting things up, can't we, instead of just having things all over the floor, which is a bit of an issue at the moment.
Yeah, we can't put the bed up without the orange because we don't want to be painting the bed frame, so it makes more sense to be painting it before we put the bed in, and then once that's all done and dry we can put the bed in. So today we're hoping to get a lot of the painting done. We'll get some clips and come back to you. So when we've been clearing out the walls, we've been getting out a lot of this stuff as insulation. They've just been using this, which isn't great. Through its age, it has just started falling apart. It's all dirty and it's not going to do much for insulation. So we've replaced this and we've got new Kingspan proper insulation. So this should be able to withstand heat and it should insulate the boat better. So for every section that had bad insulation, we're going to be replacing it with this proper stuff. So where I did the Sainsburys fix on the first night, just taking it back. So I've taken the piece of wood that they stuck over the top here and I've cleared out some of the wood. So I think this is where a chimney used to be. Not fitted correctly because it's done a lot of damage to around the wood edges, and then they've done a really poor job at patching it. So we're gonna have to get a good piece of wood back in there, and the top needs to be re-fiberglassed properly because this is not a good job. And then we'll have to replace this whole panel here before we can paint it. So while we're doing our decorating, we'll probably just miss this panel and look to get it properly done because there's no way of just covering this over and making it good. So yeah, just in case anyone wondered what was happening underneath that Sainsburys bag. Hello again.
Hello.
As you can see, we've made some progress in this room. It's messy in some places, and then like that side we've got it closer to where we want it. But yeah, it's starting to be able to see what it's going to look like. We've started doing the beams, but there is some places where we've got to still fix the ceiling, like there and in the back corner where it was falling apart. So we're staying away from the ceiling a little bit, but we're just trying to get everything so we know what it looks like, and also so we can do the bed. So we've managed to do all down below where the bed would be. Made a bit of a mess, but we can clear it out and actually hopefully build the bed frame now.
And you fixed in there?
Yes, we had that was open, so we put a panel in there and a little bit of coping to seal the gap, but with a few layers of paint you wouldn't notice the difference.
And this has been attached to the wall now?
Yes, our wall's been attached. We haven't got the window frames on, but our wall, we covered the inside just so it protects a bit the inside of the boat with damp. So we, before putting this piece of wood on, and on the other sides we painted the inside of it because that wasn't done before, so it wasn't really protected. And also for this wall where we've now covered the window for our gaming area, that's also protected on the other sides. So still to do, neaten everything a bit, but for the bedroom we have this dividing wall which we are leaving. It's just got a hole here, so we want to put a whole new panel on that side just to make a proper wall. And then with the triangular brace here, we're going to make another wall so that there's a small door that we can come in, so then there's shelves on this side for storage.